In this video, we're going to learn how to create a new page in your WordPress website. You can create a new page by clicking the new icon up here in your admin bar, or find the Pages menu to the left in your WordPress navigation menu and click Add New. Creating a page is very similar to creating a post, just remember that pages are intended for static content. So one thing I know about my page is that I'm going to need an About Me or an About Us page. So I'll go ahead and start with that by adding a title. Once you set up your title, WordPress will set your permalink to the title of your WordPress page. If you'd like to change the URL, you're just not happy with it, you can always head up here to the right and click Edit, change the URL, and be sure and save. Next, I'll head down to the second block and add some example content. You might have noticed that the page editor is identical to the post editor. That gives us the options to work in full screen mode, spotlight mode, any of these options that we played with around in posts to help eliminate distractions and make writing content a little bit easier. So here, for example, if I wanted to bold and italicize this content, I can do that just like I did in posts. If you're more comfortable working in HTML format, you can do that as well. As you can see, go ahead and set this back to edit visually. We can align the content to the center. Once we're ready to publish, we can head up here to the top right hand corner and we'll see preview and publish links, also a save draft link, just like when we worked with posts. We'll go ahead and preview this page. If we're happy with it, we can go ahead and head back. One thing to take note of is that some themes have custom page templates, so that may be something you want to take a look at when installing or playing around with new themes. Now we'll go ahead and publish this page. And we're good to go.